Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal here. HP LaserJet Pro M404n printer, and if you navigate to screen, you will see there is a code on the screen MFG mode. MFG mode mean manufacturing mode. So we have to bring printer into user mode to avoid this MFG mode. First of all, you have to bring this printer into ready mode. Press the power button once, and printer is in now ready mode. Now you have to press cancel, back, cancel, and you will see, okay, cancel, back, cancel. Okay, again we will try again. You have to press cancel once, back, cancel, and you can see it's showing here engineering menu, underwear menu. Press OK, and then boot code menu. Press again OK, and now set to MGF mode and press right arrow, set to user mode. I will press OK. Okay, now it's set it to user code menu. Now I will turn off the printer. It's running off. If I will turn back on again, printer will not show MFG mode. It will show only printer is ready. So let it boot. It's initializing. I turned it off and on again. You have to press to bring printer into engineering mode. Press once, cancel, then back, then again cancel. Printer is initializing, and just hold, and printer is ready now. There is no more MFG mode error. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. Subscribe.